Hello everyone, the Math Fundamentals are back with the concepts of rates. Since the previous videos were the only tough topics and concepts, I am aiming to finish this lesson quicker so you guys can also enjoy your free time and learn faster. Without further explanation, let's get into it. In today's agenda, we're going to learn about what is rate, how to convert rate, the unit rate, and some practice questions. So what is rate? In math, a rate is a ratio that compares two different quantities which have different units. The rate are used typically to determine how much of A can be converted into B. This mathematical principle is one of the most useful principles that we can see in various places during our daily life, such as in markets, gas station, and money changer. A rate is a relationship between different units. Is that simple? I'm going to create 4 circles here to give you some examples. Miles per hour. Cost per bottle. Energy production per 1 solar panel. Or distance No, not distance. Or like cost per pencil. Now we can see that there are all relationship with miles, which is basically distance, with time. Those are relationships that's connecting them between different units. They are not the same things. Secondly, this is the relationship between cost and quantity. So per bottle, how much does it cost? It's also a relationship. That's the important keyword. That there is a relationship between 1 to 2. This one, it's energy with per solar panel. It's also relationship. Cost per pencil. Even though those cost and pencils are 2 different units, they are still connected. Conversion. I guess that most of you have already known what a metric system conversion state is. When there's 1 meter of a length or a ruler, you can change that to 100 centimeter or 0.01 kilometer. We have learned how to convert those things, and in rate, we use the exact same thing. The question A is asking us how much is 45 Canadian dollar convert into Dominican pesos. 1 Canadian dollar is 39.12 Dominican pesos. So that we can think that if we have 45 Canadian dollar, we could do 45 times 39.12. Simple as that. Let's try it. 45 times 39.12 equals 17,600 1760.4 pesos. That's it. B to F, all of you guys should do it. It's a job for you guys. Let's learn about what is a unit rate. A unit rate is a two-term rate expressed with the second term being 1. For example, if traveling 300 kilometers took 3 hours, the rate can be expressed as 300 to 3. Then we can simplify this to 100 to 1. And since the second term of the ratio is 1, the set of ratio is considered a unit rate. This is very useful in situations such as determining the speed of the car or the cost of the cost of the water per bottle. So it's 100 kilometers per 1 hour. And this 1 is the key in unit rate. Anything that's going 1 is called unit rate. For example, the traveling per hour, or the cost per bottle, or the cost per guitar, the cost per a pair of socks. What's important is that the second one, which is coming per, is 1. Now, using that concept, let's try solving some practice questions here. Let's try practice question 1 and 2, and I'll do 5 and 6. 1 and 2, and you guys should do 5 and 6. An animal travels at 3 kilometers in 8 hours. Find how long will it take for the same animals to travel 300 meters. So 3 kilometers in 8 hours. And how long will it take the same animal to travel at 300 meters? Okay, so we need to see he have traveled 3,000 meters in 8 hours. Then how fast can he travel per hour? We can do that by dividing in 8 for both sides. Which results in 375 per hour. Since we're traveling 300 meters, we can calculate that by 300 meters dividing it by 375, equaling to 0.8. So 0.8 hours. Since 1 hour is 60 minutes, and how much is 0.8 hours? So 0.8 times 60 equals 48. Simple as that. 4 minutes. Now let's try question number 2. Jamal reads 300-page book in 12 hours. At the same rate of reading, how long would it take for him to read 400-page book? So 300 page in 12 hours. How long will it take 400-page book? Yes. So we should divide 400 pages equals how many hours? So it's firstly we should find the per. So it's 300 divided by 12 equals 1, right? So 300 divided by 12 equals 25. So 25 pages per hour he takes. Then we need to divide by how many hours will it take 400 pages book. So 400 divided by 25. That equals to 16. It means that it takes 16 hours for him to read all books. To read 400-page book. That's it. Practice questions for you guys. Problem question 7, 8, 9, 10. And the answers will be listed in the website as usual. Good luck, guys. Bye.